In this video, we'll go through the process of getting an Ultrasync camera online and connected to the Ultrasync hub so that the video feed can be viewed using the Ultrasync app. We will not go through the hardware installation of the camera. For instructions on hardware installation, please consult the installation guide. In this video, we'll focus on the process of setting up a camera using a wireless connection. Start by plugging the camera into power and give the camera some time to initialize. Note camera initialization takes about 90 seconds. Next, on a mobile device, open the Ultrasync app and enter a site as an installer. From the overview screen, select the menu icon. Near the bottom of the menu screen, select New Device Setup and then select New Camera. Make sure the camera is plugged in and has completed initialization. Note the LED next to the word Alarm should be red, and the LED next to the word Link should be slowly flashing blue. Next, select Continue. At the Wi-Fi discovery screen, you will need to select either Continue or Connected Already. For the sake of this video, we're assuming the camera has not been configured on the home router, so we'll select Continue. Next, we need to connect the mobile device to the camera. This is done by changing the Wi-Fi setting on the mobile device so that it is connected to the camera. On the mobile device, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings. The camera will show up under the list of wireless networks as RS32XX, followed by the camera's serial number. Select the camera from the list and enter the camera's serial number as the camera's network password. And select Done. After establishing a Wi-Fi connection between your mobile device and the camera, return to the Ultrasync app and click Continue. The app will now connect to the camera and you will see a success message. Select Continue. Next, the username and password for the camera need to be entered. The username should auto-populate admin. You will then enter a password of your choosing. Note, we recommend using a strong password. Then select Continue. Note, remember to record change made to username and password for future use. Next, the wireless network name and password will be auto-populated based on the Wi-Fi configuration in the hub. If Wi-Fi has not been configured in the hub, enter the home router's Wi-Fi name and password in the mobile app manually. Select Continue after confirming the home router's information. The camera will now reboot and connect to the wireless network. The camera is now connected to the wireless network and is ready to be synced to the Ultrasync hub. Next, select Sync Cameras and Hub, and then select Perform Camera Sync. Note, this step may take several minutes. When you see the Sync Complete screen, the connection between the camera and hub has been made. On this screen, you may edit the name of the camera by selecting the pencil icon next to the camera's default name. Enter the desired name in the field and select Done. Note, if installing multiple cameras, be sure to check the list to ensure that all cameras are showing as having been synced. If cameras are missing, run the Sync Cameras and Hub process again. Select Continue and then Continue again. You've completed the camera setup. Selecting Done will return you to the overview screen. You may now navigate to the camera's screen in the Ultrasync app and adjust resolution, clip timing, and enable motion detection.